This full HD video in my YouTube channel called Linux Mint 1080 Tutorials shows how to hide Linux screen icons and hide any desktop watermark. First I will show how to hide screen icons from the desktop. Right click on Desktop and left click on Customize. Then left click on blue link at the bottom called Desktop Settings. Beside Desktop Layout, click on drop-down arrow and select No Desktop Icons. When finished, left-click on the green X's to close the two windows. Now I'll show how to hide the Linux Mint watermark. Left-click on Menu and search for System Settings. Or, in all applications, scroll down and left-click on System Settings. In System Settings, under Appearance, left-click on Backgrounds. Ensure Linux Mint is highlighted, then left-click on Settings. Under Background Settings and at right of Picture Aspect, left-click on drop-down arrow and select No Picture. When finished, left-click on the green X to close the window. Similar methods may work in other versions of Linux. I hope you enjoyed how to hide Linux screen icons and the watermark. Look in description below for YouTube links to Delete Linux Desktop Icon and other Linux Mint tutorials. Linux is fantastic and free, so I hope you enjoy using it as much as me. Also subscribe to be notified when I upload the next Linux video.